Welcome back to Obedi Investment and Properties. Today is very important topic for those who are working under government or private organizations. It is very important to talk about this because a lot of people are lacking behind. So if you are collecting salary and the salary finish before the end of the month, it simply means that you are investing in the wrong thing. And here are the three investment opportunity that you need to start today. So I want you to watch this video to the end because the last one is going to surprise you or it can make you become a millionaire within a short period of time. So without wasting your time, let's dive in. Number one is personal brand. Build your name online. It is very important, but a lot of people are overlooking this. Your social media can attract clients, opportunities, and partnership. So it is very important to take it serious. We see a lot of salary earners who have a smartphone. Instead of them to use it to make money for themselves, they will start to use it to watching videos and other things online. Buy data every day, spending unnecessary money because you want to entertain yourself without making money. Remember that those people that you are watching online, they are continuing making their money while you are continuing spending. So you self can do some things that people can look at you. The good things about social media is that whatever you are doing, you will see a lot of people that will have interest in it. It's not until you good before you start to do something. Your funny things can attract a lot of millions of people. So those who are doing this and you are laughing and you look them, you follow them, you chat with them, you comment in their platform, then also start on way. A lot of people are casting out big and you are there wasting your data. You need to start doing something. You need to have a side hustle because nobody will tell you not to upload your video or your photos into any social media as far as you don't do against the rule and regulations of where you are working. So you need to use your initiative by bring money for yourself. Number two is stock and mutual fund. A lot of people, they are just working, sweating, and if you are somebody like this, you are wasting your time. What the smart investors are doing now, they allow their money to work for them instead of working for their money. Even when you are still sleeping, your money can still continue working for you. So why can't you use your initiative and make your money for yourself? Small consistent investment can grow in over time. A lot of people thought that business or that investment is just made for big people like millionaires or billionaire people. It's not so. You that you are collecting thousands on a small money, you can also start to invest today, and before you know, you become a somebody. The problem of a lot of salary earners is that they don't do research. You need to do research and know what is working. There are millions of people that are casting out every month with a stock or mutual fund. You just need to have a knowledge and research properly to know how to invest in this business. It's a good and a straightforward investment that can make you million within a short period of time. Don't allow yourself or don't just focus on retire time. You need to start doing something when you are active, when you are working, so by the time you retire, you can fall back on money. Your gratitude on your pensions cannot help you far. You need to start doing something when you are still in service. In 2026, smart investors are not working for money. They allow their money to work for them, and you can also start today because as a civil servant or you are salary earning, in fact, this kind of investment doesn't stop your business. Nobody will know that you are even doing any investment like this unless the person you tell. As you are growing in the investment, you will learn, you have more experience and how to invest more better, and your investment capital is there appreciate every day. So what you just need to do, know where to invest, how to invest, on what to invest on. This is going to help you a lot because if you don't know how to invest, you may regret it. It's not until you have billion or millions before you invest in stock or mutual fund. I hope you learn from this. If you want to learn more about the mutual or stock investment, you can contact me. If you are interested in this investment, you can contact me. I'm going to tell you what to do and how to start and when to start. This takes me to number 3, land investment. A lot of salary earners always afraid to invest in landed property. This is the best and lucrative investment that you can ever do in your life. So land investment is still the only lucrative investment that you can start today as a salary earner and become a millionaire when you are still serving, because a lot of people don't know the values of buy land and resell it. They just thought that once they buy land is to build house. It's not so. You can use land for many things. You can use it for lease, you can use it for rent, and also you can buy it and resell it later and make your money. But before you start to buy land, what you just need to do as a salary earner, look for lucrative environment or look for where people are moving to in any particular town. Once you buy land in such a place, there's a guarantees of high returns of profit. And there's a lot of real estate companies right now that you can buy land from them with a small initial deposit and start paying them small within 18 months or sometimes 2 years. And this is going to help you a lot. So by the time you buy it, you can resell it and make your profit. A lot of people are casting out in this aspect. If you are working and you already reach like 8 or 10 years in service, you can manage buy land and keep it in a fast growing environment and leave it and continue your work. I can tell you by the time you reach like 20 years in service, the amount that you are going to sell that land, honestly, it will be enough for you to buy a new land and build a new house. But a lot of people don't understand this. Want to buy land for investment with deposit small and spread the other balance, you can contact me. I'm going to recommend the best for you so that we never get problem. So which of these are you investing on? If you are investing in any one of them or you want to start investing, you don't know how to start, you can contact me in the comment sections. I'm going to answer you. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more investment opportunity. Thank you for watching and bye for now.